Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how electric cars are made, step by step.
Every electric car starts with carefully inspected metals, battery cells, and advanced electronic components. Each part is measured, scanned, and sorted to meet strict quality and safety standards. High-precision machines prepare materials, shaping every component for the production process ahead. Here, raw materials are processed into strong, lightweight structures and high-performance battery components. Engineers monitor digital systems in real time to ensure perfect balance and consistency. Automated conveyors move prepared components smoothly toward the next production stage. Robotic systems weld and assemble the vehicle frame with extreme precision and accuracy. Motors, batteries, and electronics are installed carefully to ensure performance and reliability. The vehicle takes its final shape as technology and craftsmanship come together. Interior features, displays, and systems are added as the car advances along the line. Automated tools secure every component, maintaining consistency across all vehicles. Finished electric cars move through final assembly under bright inspection lighting. Every electric car is thoroughly tested before leaving the factory. Approved cars are loaded and prepared for delivery to customers worldwide. From this factory, innovation drives the future of electric mobility.
And that's how electric cars are made. Subscribe for more factory tours and behind-the-scenes process videos.